Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. You know that we have a two powers. Soul has a two powers. One is intention, other one is attention. Wherever we intend and focus our attention, our energy flow to that direction. So in the Siddha mind power, we talked about, how to use mantra plus intention to manifest what we want. So it's always, you make an intention, the sankalpa about what you want in your life. Before Srividya you can do, before Bagalmukhi you can do, before Rajamatangi, any sadhana you are doing, do the intention. Where your spiritual energy should go, direct. So once I make a sankalpa, intention, then I visualize or do the sadhana, then I visualize what I want, then I chant the mantra. For example, I told minimum 3 times you have to chant the mantra, because 3 is the number of manifestation, where I want to infuse Divine Mother energy, mantra shakti, in a conscious mind, subconscious mind and superconscious mind, or dream, sleep and waking state. So minimum 3 times you chant, visualize. When I visualize, as if that is happening in my inner world, I am communicating with my subconscious mind. So it is very important in our life. 5% is a conscious mind, 95% is subconscious mind. And if we don't work with the subconscious mind, we don't bring the results. No matter how much you are doing visualization. But if you are not believing in your visualization, in your goal, and not impressing your subconscious mind, then you cannot bring the result. So visualize, chant the mantra minimum 3 times. Visualize, chant the mantra minimum 3 times. At least 3 times you have to visualize, and minimum 3 times mantra you have to chant in between. So visualization is something, my conscious mind is involved and impressing my subconscious mind. Then I am chanting the mantra, divine power of mother is also there. I am intending and giving my attention, my soul power is also there. So I am working at the conscious level, subconscious level, soul level and universal level. At all levels I am working and influencing, and then I am sending this thought, my manifestation, my energy, my child. Every thought is your child, every manifestation is your product. You are going to send it. So whenever I put the energy of Divine Mother, that I have taken the initiation to my manifestation, it becomes 1,000 times more powerful. Okay? And if you are Sri Chakra or Sri Chakra Puja you are doing, you have to send this thought from Bindu to Bhupura, so that you are using Sriyantra also as a manifestation tool to help you, because it's already a map of the creation. It's how the consciousness manifested into a matter. So I channel my thing. So it is very powerful. I have a Sriyantra, my soul power, mantra shakti, subconscious mind. All of this I am working. 100% you are going to see the results. Okay. So this is how you make a sankalpa, intention, add the mantra to that. This is very important, because we are not aware what we are creating. Many times we are doing this, I am chanting the mantra, suddenly negative thought will come. I am involved in negative thought. Again chanting the mantra. Indirectly I am influencing my negative creation. But I am using the same principles. How to create positive, the same principle I am using to create negative. So you should be very careful about it. Intention means I resolve something in my heart. I want to have this. I want to improve my business. I want to overcome my some problem that become, I don't want that. So I convert into what I want. So my intention is what really I want in my life at this phase of this. Once I decided, then I focus on that. Give my thought, my energy to that. That is my attention. So there's a universal law. It says that wherever there is attention, there the energy glows. And where their energy goes, there your intention manifests. So intention, attention, energy, awareness. These are very, very powerful principles in spirituality. If you don't include these things, you will not grow. Awareness is also needed, because many times whenever I visualize, negative thought will come. Negative belief starts showing up. You see that? Yesterday I was telling that be careful about the negative words also you talk in your day-to-day language. I am stuck. You see that? That is a block. Those words literally coming from some limiting belief, negative belief. So your language, if it includes these type of words, I am stuck, I am getting guilty, I am depressed, I am anxiety, I am stressful. If you are using these words, what I am doing is I am giving my attention to these words. And where there is attention, energy, and where there is energy, there is a growth. There is a growth. If you see all the nature, where there is a prana, there is a growth. You see the seed. If I see the seed, when I put it into the soil and add water, it is not water that is making to grow. It is the prana, the life force within that, helping the seed to become a germinate, become a plant become a tree, and then it is giving a fruits. So this is you need to understand that where your attention, there energy. Prana is very powerful, very, very powerful. Many times, due to anger, due to not breathing properly, we block our own prana. We don't circulate in our own organs. When this prana is not circulated, this life force is not circulated, the organs do not function properly. When organ is not functioning properly, it is not producing the right kinases, right enzymes, right hormones, right things that is needed to maintain this body, and you started experiencing the disease. There is an imbalance taken place. Imbalance is not in an organ, imbalance in the prana. So then you have a diabetes when the pancreas is not producing beta cell, or beta cell don't have a right prana. It is not producing the insulin that is needed. Like this, everything is connected. If I start circulating the prana to the pancreas, you see, when you are childhood, you don't have a disease. As you grow, what happens? Your food habits, your stress level. You see that one of the very important thing in spirituality is being happy at all the time. If you see some of the research that is shown, suddenly you become a stress, upset, anger, your blood content changes, your breath changes, the hormonal secretion of different glands changes. Instant result. Your anger has an instant result on your nervous system, on secretion of your glands, working of your glands, and circulation of your blood. Instant result, instant effect you create on your health. That's what many times when we do this Srividya sadhana or any spiritual sadhana, working with our subtle bodies and our chakras, every chakra is connected to one gland, and every chakra I am focusing, I am tuning my gland, giving a right prana to my gland. I am helping to maintain and balance my prana and circulate my prana. So we have seen very good result with the health, some people, but some of them are having a very bad food habits. Very bad mental body, where always they worry no matter what it is. So even they are doing the sadhana, but they are creating a lot of blockages for themselves, and creating all the BP and all the things. Shivoham Shivoham Shivoham.